Regular polygon. A three or more sided shape having all the same length sides and all the same interior angles. A polygon is a multi-sided shape with three or more sides. There are categories of polygons: irregular and regular, concave and convex. An irregular polygon has sides of varying lengths and no consistency to the interior angles of the polygon. On the other hand, a regular polygon has the same length sides and same measure interior angles. A concave polygon must have four or more sides and has a dent, so to speak, where its sides are turned inward toward the center of the shape. Parentheses, an easy way to remember that concave is turned inward is because it feels like walking into a cave. Convex is the opposite, with all vertices pointing outward from the center of the shape. Parentheses. An irregular polygon can be either concave or convex. A regular polygon can only be convex because it is defined as having the same interior angle measures. In general, geometry is mostly interested in regular polygons. Irregular, concave, and convex are presented mostly to provide a contrast. A regular polygon is a three or more sided shape having all the same length sides and all the same interior angle measures. Antonyms: irregular polygon. Related words: convex, concave, interior angles.